guys, welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my channel if this is your first time here. I'm back again with this week's CVS haul, and everything worked out as planned. We are receiving 4 inserts this weekend in case you buy your newspapers, but if you don't, you can go on coupons.com because they have good coupons there. And we also have some digital coupons that you can use also. I was able to grab all these items for free and a $6.02 moneymaker. In case you don't buy your inserts and you need coupons, you can also go on their website, sign up, and they will randomly email you coupons. So let me show you guys how I did all these deals. The first transaction we'll be doing will be on the Ensure or Glucerna deal. It's on buy 2, get $5 back. But what I will do is pick up the mini treats. I'll pick up 3 of those at $6.29 each, and I'll show you what coupons and CRTs I'll use to still make this free and a few cents moneymaker. These are the 3 boxes I'll be picking up for this particular transaction. I did it this way because I have a 3 off of 18 diabetic CRT that will apply to this, and I also use a $3 coupon for each one of them. 2 I got from Glucerna.com. I signed up and they send me random emails, so that's all you have to do if you want to do it that way. Or today's Smart Sauce, we have a $3 there, and everybody received a $3 Glucerna digital coupon today also. And I have a 2 off of 2 CRT that apply to this. When everything come off, I will end up paying just $4.87 and get $5 back, making all 3 boxes free and a 13-cent moneymaker. The next deal we'll pick up before we go check out will be on the U by Kotex. It's on buy 1 get 1 half off, and when you buy 2, you get $2 back. And this is on any U by Kotex product. So what I'll be doing is picking up 2 of the liners. Each one is priced at $1.89. So one of them will be $1.89, and the second one I have to pay 90 cents because that will be the half off. These are the 2 liners I'm picking up, and I also have a $2 CRT, U by Kotex CRT that applied to this. Both products came up to $2.84. So when they take off the $2, I will end up paying just 84 cents, getting back $2, making both products free and a $1.11 moneymaker. As you can see, everything worked out as planned. All the coupons applied. The $3 for the Glucerna, every one of them came off, both the paper and the digital coupon. And I also used the 3 off of 18 CRT and the 2 off of 2 any Glucerna CRT. My $2 for the U by Kotex also came off, and I got $2 back. And I also got $5 back for buying 2 of the Glucerna mini treats. I used $5.70 extra care box for this, and I paid $0. The next deal I did is on the Aveeno facial care. It's on buy 1 get 1 40% off, but it's not giving back any extra care box, but I have some good CRTs. So let me go check out, and I'll show you guys my receipt and how everything applied. These are the 2 items I picked up. It's priced at $7.49. The second one is $4.49 after the 40% come off. I ended up using a 6 off of 2 CRT and another 5 off of 2 CRT. I also have a 3 off of 12 Aveeno CRT that adjusted down to 98 cents. So I ended up paying $0, and I got both items for free. The next transaction I'll be doing will be on the Crest toothpaste. It's on the deal of buy 3 get $4 back, and it's a limit of 2. So I'll be picking up 6. That way I can max the deal. The 6 will come up to $23.94, and I'll use a 6 off of 4 app coupon everybody have, and another 5 off of 3 app coupon everybody have. I also have a 5 off of 20 Crest CRT that will apply to this. That will bring it down to $7.94. I'll pay that, and I'll get $8 back. This is my receipt. I already checked out, and you can see everything worked out fine. I have a $10 extra care box I needed to use, and I didn't want to lose any because all I needed to pay for this is $7.94. I ended up picking a Coke. That's the first item you see on the receipt. Let's look at the coupons and how everything applied. The $5 came off, $6 came off, and the 5 off of 20 also came off, and I got my $8 back because I maxed the deal, making this free and a few cents money make. For the next transaction, I'll do the spend 25 get $10 back. I don't have my Unilever yet, so if you have yours, use the buy 1 get 1 free Dove coupon in it. I will be using the $2.50 coupon that we got from Savings Sat that expired on the 30th I'll use 2 of those for each particular dove. I'll be picking up 2. To complete the transaction, I'll pick up 4 of the Suave body wash at $2.69 and also buy one get one half off. And I'll use 2 email coupon for this one. I have a $2 off of 2 email coupon from Unilever. I'll use 2 of those. These are all the items I'll be picking up with this particular transaction. As you can see, I have 2 of the men body wash for the Suave and 2 for the female. For the men body wash, I will use 2 off of 2 email coupon I got from Unilever. And also for the female body wash, I'll use 2 off of 2. Because I did this deal like this, that's why one of them will be full price and the other one will be half off. So it will be per set. So for the Dove, I have a $2.50 coupon I'll be using with this. Like I said, I don't have my Unilever yet. It comes in the mail on Wednesday. But I still have this $2.50 coupon that will apply to this. But if you have yours, use the buy one, get one free. Some cashiers will take off full price and some cashiers will take off the half price. And whenever I've done this, it will take off the half price. So with the $5 I'm using with this, it's still almost the same thing. And I have a 5 off of 30 next purchase CRT. That's why I'm adding the CVS floss to this. I have a whole bunch of CRT for this that will apply and it will end up being free. And each one is priced at $3.29. As you can see my CRT, I have 3 of the paper CRT and I still have 2 in my app. And for the Dove, I have another 2 off of 2 CRT that will also apply to the Dove. And I'll use the 5 off of 30 next purchase CRT. When all these coupons and the CRT works, it will bring it down to $9.05. I will pay that and I will get $10 back, making all these items free and it $1, almost $1 money maker. I will check out and I will show you guys my receipt. You can see my receipts. Everything worked out as I planned. Only one of the floss didn't come off because I had 5 of those and 4 came off, and it's still fine because it still ended up being free the whole transaction. All the $2 came off. The $2.50 also came off, and the 5 off of 30 and the 2 off of 2 select Dove CRT. The floss came off. I used $7 extra care box, paid $2.57 out of pocket, and I got my $10 back for doing the spend 25 get 10. I'm still happy with this deal because it ended up being free for all these items. The next transaction we'll do will be on the L'Oreal Elvive deal. It's on the deal of buy 3 get $5 back, and at my store this is priced at $5.19 each. I'll pick up 1 shampoo and 3 of the conditioner. These are the 3 items I picked up, and I'll use a 5 off of 3 paper coupon I got from coupons.com. It's still available. And I also use a 5 off of 3 app coupon that will double dip with this because at my store it's priced at $5.19. So that will work. And I'll use a 5 off of 15 CRT. So I'll end up paying just 57 cents and I'll get $5 back, making all 3 items free and a $4.43 money maker. This is my receipt. Everything worked out as planned. All the coupons and the CRT came off. You can see the $5 for the paper coupon and $5 from the app, and also the $5 CRT, and I got my $5 back. I only paid 57 cents, so this still ended up being free and a $4.43 money maker. For my next transaction, I did the Hallmark deal. It's not giving back any extra care box, but I have some really good CRTs. I have like $12 worth of CRT. 5 of the ribbons are priced at $1.29, and the 2 of them are also priced at $1.79. For the gift wrap, it's priced at $1.99. That came up to $12.02. I used 3 of the $4 off CRT. I ended up paying just 2 cents, and I got all these items for just 2 cents. And this concludes my video. I hope you get something out of this, and I'll see you all next week. Bye bye.